I will quickly create a new file in my app folder. Then I will call it main.py. Then I will head straight to Fast API documentation. Then let me copy this code. So this is the actual hello world code in Fast API. So let me come back to my main.py and then paste this code. Save it. On my terminal, I'll run uvcon app dot main column app double dash reload, because I'm still running it in dev. I'm going to run this in dev. Okay, so I did not save this. I think I have to save it. Let me run it again. Let me investigate this error further.